No, look, it's a great opposition to play against. All we had to do is what we've been thinking about last three games, and we have to approach that game in a similar fashion. We understand the opposition and how they play and stuff like that. But I think the more and more we focus on what we need to do as a group, as a player, as a batting unit, as a bowling unit, that helps us a lot. Uh, I said it, yes, but look, Australia have been such a great team over the years. We will expect some fight backs. We will expect some nervy times as well in the middle. But that is how the game is being played these days. And you're talking about semi-final. Obviously, the pressure will be on both teams to win that game. But I think it's important for us to just keep focusing on what we need to do, keep doing our things, and keep doing those things right. And then result will come if we keep doing the things that we are supposed to. He just showed what he's capable of. Now it is up to us to think and see how we can get that combination right. Obviously, look, he got a game. He did everything that was asked for. And I said it at the post match as well that he's got something different about him. And when he gets it right, he knocks people over and he takes five wickets. So it is very tempting and to think about what to do, which is a good headache to have. We'll just try and assess. We just want to go back and think about what the Australian batting lineup will look like, and how we can try and see what kind of bowling options will work against them. जो तीनों मैचेस हमने खेले इसमें नेचर सरफेस का सेम था, बट तीनों गेम में पिच अलग तरीके से बिहेव किया है. आज हमने देखा जब शुरुआत में उनके बॉलर्स सीमर्स बॉल डाल रहे थे, उनका बॉल थोड़ा सीम हो रहा था, स्विंग हो रहा था, जो हमने पहले दो गेम में नहीं देखा जब हमारे बॉलर्स डाल रहे थे. और शाम में बिल्कुल थोड़ी सी ठंड है हवा में, तो वो स्विंग ऑब्वियसली होने का काफ़ी चांसेस है. हमें पता है ये चीज़, बट जो तीनों गेम खेला यहाँ पे 4 या 5 सर्फेसिस है जो यूज़ हो रहे हैं, तो हर सरफेस का अलग नेचर है. हमें भी नहीं पता कि कौन सा विकेट कैसा खेलेगा. दिखने में पिचेस एक जैसे दिखते हैं, बट जब आप जाके खेलो उस पर तो अलग अलग तरीके से खेलता है. तो आप ये सोच के नहीं जा सकते कि हमने कल परसों ऐसे खेला था, आज विकेट ऐसे ही रहेगा तो ऐसे ही खेलना है. हर बार पिचेस के अलग होने के कारण पिच थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस आपको दे रहे हैं.